Hey guys, my name is Karen and
Yan.
and today we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange, and we're gonna unbox it for you. And we chose this color because it was like the most one color that people are buying, so we just bought it too because like it's more trending. So now it's like one of my favorites too because it stands out like when you're holding a orange phone. Like it would stand out and like it would actually like be different from other phones. So now I'm gonna open it and show you guys.
And by the way, that's my baby sister here.
Let's see, this is the phone. As you guys can see, it's unboxed and new. So now we're gonna peel
it off. The best part about
It's satisfying. It's so nice. Like it looks like nobody touched it. Let me turn it on.
a flat tap. Not
As you guys can see, it's saying hello in
like when we got iPhone
different
15.
languages.
Like,
It's
remember
marhaba. It's asking for the language and everything.
Guys,
and it's gonna ask for the information, which we'll put in later and show you guys. Okay, finally, it took almost 4 hours, but the phone is finally updated, and like it's the wallpaper, it's changed and everything. First, before we open the phone, I'm going to show you what's included with the phone and what's not included. So, basically what's included with the phone is, let me just open the case. The only thing included with it is just the charging wire. Basically the only thing it did come with was the wire. It didn't come with like the cable or like the power, like the charging, what is this called? Power adapter or anything. But we ordered it on Amazon for $19. You have to buy it separately because this one's the only one that does work on the iPhone 17. So you have to buy it separately. And like, see, as you guys can see the price tag, it says $19 right there. And I'm gonna open it and show you guys what it's like and what it's like. Okay, my gosh, it's so satisfying to peel. Just take this off. Let me just open it. So we have it. Let me just take it out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's directly from Apple, as you guys can see. It has like this thing that you take off, and it's just normal, but yeah, that's it. And then we have two phones. Sorry about that, and we have two, okay? We have a clear one, but sadly it does not protect the camera, and we have this one. I'll show you both of them on the iPhone, and then you guys will comment which one we keep on the phone. So it's your choice, not ours. So make sure to comment below which one you guys will think it's better. So both prices are like the same. They're both $17 each. So it's up to you guys. And first we're gonna try this one on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's in. Okay, this is it in, and look, as you can see, it like just went rainbow for some reason, probably because the phone cover came on. Like, this is what it looks like. This is option A. If you pick option A, then write it in the comments. Now I'll show you guys option B. So this is what option B looks like. I personally like option B more, but it's up to you guys. And if you guys like option B more, then write that in the comments as well. Yeah, so this is option B. And so basically, as you guys can see, the password, like when you put it in, do you see? It looks more bubbles, like bubbles, you know? And like, it's really nice, much better. They should do them to the iPads too. And then put it in, password. So I put in the password, as you guys could see. If you go to folder, the folder is also really different. You guys can see. Before it's like actually just white, but they changed it, and I think that's about it for this phone. What I really like about this phone is that also they did change the camera logo, if you guys can see. If you open it, and then you go to video, and then you go to geo capture, you can if you go to geo capture, you can actually take a picture of you right here. There are 3 colors from all these options. I chose orange because it stands out more. There was also silver and blue. I like this color because it stands out more and it's really new. How do you guys like this color? And remember, tell us about the phone case. We need to know. And thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!